This dual monitor arm fixed my productivity issues. Ergotron LX Pro Review. Why didn't I buy sooner? Let's be real for a second. If your desk looks like a tech tornado hit it, you're not alone. Tangled cables, stiff necks, clunky monitors hogging precious workspace, it's a productivity nightmare. Maybe you've tried stacking books under your screens or playing a game of monitor Jenga to find the perfect angle. Spoiler alert! It never works. You want to focus, but your setup is dragging you down. Sound familiar? That low-key anxiety every time you sit down to work isn't just in your head, it's your workstation crying out for help. You're stuck, unmotivated, and wasting time tweaking screens instead of slaying your to-do list. Now add looming deadlines, endless Zoom calls, and the creeping ache in your shoulders from hunching over like Gollum. That once exciting WFH dream is starting to feel like a tech torture chamber. Every quick task turns into a game of screen Tetris. Missed details, lost efficiency, and let's not talk about that time your monitor almost fell off mid-meeting. Your desk is a battlefield, and you're losing. It's not just inconvenient, it's killing your flow, your posture, and your productivity. This setup struggle isn't just annoying anymore. It's a silent burnout machine, and it's time to unplug it. Meet the Ergotron LX Pro Premium Dual Monitor Arm, the sleek, black, no BS hero your desk has been begging for. This beast lifts both your monitors into midair like a productivity wizard, freeing up space while giving your eyes and neck a much-needed vacation. It's got a crazy 85 degrees tilt, 360 degrees rotation, and up to 19.9 inches of vertical lift, so you can position each monitor like a pro, no more neck craning or awkward angles. Built like a tank, but stylish, it handles monitors up to 27 inches and 20 pounds each. Plus, the built-in cable covers? Chef's kiss. No mess, no stress, just clean, ergonomic bliss. Not only will your setup look like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, but your body will thank you too. Say goodbye to eye strain and back pain, hello, posture goals. The LX Pro adjusts effortlessly with just a touch, keeping your screens exactly where you need them all day long. Bonus? It's a dream to install. Even if DIY gives you hives, this mount makes it stupid simple. Whether you're a designer, coder, gamer, or just tired of the screen struggle, this arm changes the game. Curious? Hit that link and peep the setup upgrade that actually works. Thousands of desk warriors already made the switch, and they're not looking back. So, what's stopping you? Afraid it's too much? Trust us, the only regret you'll have is not getting it sooner. 10-year warranty, industry trusted, and built to outlive your current monitor, and probably the next one too. But heads up, this beast sells out fast. Don't wait for another productivity meltdown. Smash that button, level up your setup, and finally own your workflow like the legend you are. Limited stock. Unlimited potential. Time to flex your focus. Let the Ergotron LX Pro lift your hustle, literally.